Hey guys, welcome to tonight's episode. We have a very interesting property to show you today. I'm actually stood in front of a windmill that dates back to the 1700s. It's 5.5 stories, around 50 metres in height, and it was converted to a residential property in the 70s. Now it's on the market for £550,000 with Fine and Country Rugby. It's 3 beds, 2 baths, located in the village of Thurleston, which is quite close to Dunchurch and Rugby, and has incredible views over Draycote Water and the rolling countryside surrounding. Obviously with the height, you can just see the whole village. We're going to give you a complete tour. We haven't actually been inside to see the full place yet, so we'll take you along with us. And let's start the tour at the outside. Here we are. So the windmill is at the end of this road, so this whole drive is private and does belong to the house. You've got parking in front and also a double garage with 2 cars in at the moment. So 2 cars, an electric up and over door. Now let's start to head inside, head up these steps and talk to you some more. It does have a rear garden as well, but we'll show you that towards the end of the video. But certainly one of the most interesting places we've seen, right, Summer?
Very interesting. I'm so excited to explore.
Yeah, all right, let's go.
Before we go in, let's just go round the corner and see where this goes.
What a perfect day to see this place as well, in the snow. I think it's one of the best days you can see this type of property. So that takes you onto the garden. You've obviously got steps down to there, and you've got an additional doorway. I believe that's into the kitchen, but we'll see. And actually some more space behind the garage there. Now, here we go. So, Summer, why don't you show us inside?
Hey everyone, Summer here. So as soon as you walk into the house, there is a toilet through here. If you pop your head in, Matt.
Yeah, there's a few coats, but you can see all the way in.
Down here you have a 5-seater table. So there's some steps going down here. And it's so interesting because it's circular. Circular table as well.
Yeah. Would you buy all circular furniture if you lived here, or would you buy regular furniture?
All the original beams throughout.
I will say as well, there's a lot of natural light coming in here. You do have good sized windows. Let me come and show you the room.
So this is raised and then this goes down. Should we go through here?
Yeah.
So this is the kitchen. Come
Wow.
on in.
Oh yeah, there's that other door that we talked about. Let me spin round.
Wow, it's so interesting, isn't it?
It is so interesting.
This worktop goes all the way round in a semicircle shape. And they've got the range master cooker here.
And look at this original beam, it actually goes through the table.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh,
They've built the table around it. That's what you have to do with a place like this, be very creative with the way that you design it. And the current owners have done a lot of other improvements. I believe it's had 5 owners since new.
Yeah, and it was converted in the 70s.
Yeah.
And it was from the 1700s, this windmill.
Yeah.
Mental.
Okay, let's keep exploring.
Yeah. You've got a really cute cupboard down here. Okay, let's go up the stairs.
Yeah.
Oh wow, check out all of this. I don't know if it's too dark for the camera.
You can see it. So there is actually some original there is actually some original mill machinery.
Yes, and this is the bowler hat, I think it's called.
Yeah.
And basically the first owner of this windmill, he owned this windmill, a property at the front and the property at the back. And apparently he used to come here for his drinking habits.
Hence all the drinks.
And they found this hat in the flute of there's like a flute built in here, isn't it? That's what the owner said anyway. So that's really interesting, that old hat.
And here's another picture of the windmill in its original, or part original condition. And here it is actually with the sails on.
Oh, wow. The sails were massive.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the door straight up from the stairs.
Yeah, airing cupboard.
Oh, it's a cupboard.
Yeah. at the big window there. Let me see if I can show you some of these views.
Come into the bedroom.
Wow.
Yeah, because this square bed, it doesn't go up to the wall.
No, it can't. It's a circle. But it still works.
Yeah, it still works. And head height in here is really big. This is the wardrobe section for this room. Kind of goes round the corner.
Oh yeah. Let me come into this corner, this nook, as you like to say.
Yeah.
And I can see the room from this side.
Then I believe this will be an ensuite. Yeah. They've of course got a circular shower in here. It's so interesting, these walls. Never been in a property like this before.
No, never been in a windmill.
Let us know what you're thinking so far and if you would live in a windmill or a really unique property, because it's actually really cosy in here.
Yeah, when you get in, it is cosy.
Yeah.
Certainly different. Okay, so we've got another set of stairs.
Wow.
Definitely keep you fit living here.
Yeah.
All the steps.
Okay, so we have one room on this floor. This is the lounge. Oh, it feels, we're high up now as well. This is a lovely lounge. And this is the fireplace the owner was telling us about. So they created like a flute, didn't they? On
And that's very interesting because the building goes up as a slant. And
Yeah.
you've got that is interesting.
And that's where they found the hat. Come and look out the window though, it's so picturesque with the snow.
Wow, look at that. And you can see all the way through to Draycote Water, which is a big reservoir that you can walk around if you're not familiar with the area. Is it not a reservoir?
Yeah, but you said like reservoir.
Oh, sorry.
And check out all these beams up here. Wow.
Wow. Okay. Where to next?
Where
Another
to
floor?
next? Yeah, so
It's
there's
like a
two.
room on each floor.
Yeah, there's two more rooms, right? Two more
Well,
bedrooms.
we haven't been upstairs, so I'm not sure.
Because we've seen one bedroom,
Oh yeah, there must be.
the penthouse bedroom.
Yeah.
Wow, it's so interesting, honestly.
I love seeing how so many different people live. You know, there's such a variety of ways that you can live in homes and use them.
Okay, it's definitely getting thinner up here.
I'm glad you're doing this, this tour.
Okay, so firstly you've got the shower and a toilet round the corner.
Just take my time showing this because I have to get, I'm working these angles so you guys don't get too confused. I assume there'll be a floor plan that the agent has, so we'll put that on the screen.
Yeah, we always forget to put that at the start. Round here's a wardrobe.
Wow.
But you start to feel high now, don't you?
Yeah, you do. Let's look out the window again.
Let's look at the view. Oh my god, it feels weird to be so high in a village.
In a village, yeah. And then across this side you've got some wardrobe space. What was in that cupboard over there?
Just a wardrobe
Just
section.
wardrobe, yeah.
Okay, now we're going up to the last floor.
I'm sure the agent has fun doing viewings here.
Yeah. Oh, it's a study up here. Wow, this is amazing.
Yeah. Wow.
Good head height.
It's actually the best head height up here at the top.
Yeah.
So this is where the third bedroom would be.
Yeah.
Or a study, of course.
Yes, this would be a cool bedroom.
Yeah. Well, we are high now, aren't we, for a village?
There's two other types of properties I want to see, which is a houseboat
Yep.
and a converted church
Yes.
to a house. This is the first windmill we've ever been in. Definitely lots of natural light with the windows in. They're all scattered around, aren't they?
It's a lot brighter than I was expecting it to be in here.
Yeah, true.
Should we go look at the garden?
Yeah, let's head back down then. Okay, so this is the front door. We're going to head around the back garden, around this side. You can also go down through there as well, but I just thought it would be fun to show you around here. So that was the door into the kitchen. Down some steps to the garden.
Amazing with the snow, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks amazing. Here it is. And there's also a basement that we've got to show you. The stairs are just down here. I tell you what, if you're looking to lose some weight, there's a lot of stairs in this windmill. I've just been up and down about 4 times. And I'm actually out of breath. So you can keep fit if you want to buy this windmill. Okay.
Ah, this is the basement. Okay.
Let me just, oh, that doesn't move actually.
Yeah.
So lots of storage in here. You've got a little moat
This
around.
is really interesting. I was just thinking that. It's like a trench.
Yeah.
It goes round. I wonder what that is.
It's basically a separate storage space.
Yeah.
I mean, you have got the garage as well.
Yeah.
Like a workshop area here.
So house is around just over 1,600 square feet.
Okay.
And I just looked at the floor plan while I was waiting for you. It's so interesting. It's like all circles. I'll put it on the screen again here. So
yeah, do you remember we toured that apartment that was all triangle rooms?
Yeah.
So if you like circles,
This is for you. We're doing lots of shaped houses.
Yeah. I'd prefer circular over triangles.
Yeah. Okay, it's good to know.
Guys, we hope you enjoyed this tour of this amazing windmill. Let us know in the comments what you think to this property. And if you want any more information, make sure to contact the listing agent, Sam from Fine & Country. We'll put all his details in the description. Make sure you smash the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel for more house tours. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.